Hey, we're STEM, Sales Tracking Inventory Management, and this is a senior project for CS426 in computer science, developed in 2020 and 2021 for the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Okay, so teammates are Nick Alvarez, Harrison Hahn, Austin Nicholson, and Jay Suduyara. Our instructors are David Fell-Cipher and Devin Lee, and our advisors are Drew Courtwright and Jacob Leveroni. Cool. Let me pass it off to Jay, who will explain the purpose of our project.
So the purpose of the project is to create an inventory management software that benefits small businesses. So we decided to team up with QuickBooks, which is targeted towards small and medium-sized businesses. Another reason for our project is that inventory management software is going to have great implications in the future. The market is supposed to grow over $3 billion over the next 3 or 5 years. And because of the pandemic, small businesses need this kind of cheap software that improves their business efficiency. So I'm going to pass it off to Nick to demo the project functionalities.
All right, thank you, Jay. Looks like Harrison's logging in here. So right here, this is our authorization for the back end here. Once the user signs in, they'll be asked to fill in their two-factor authentication code. And once they receive that, they can type that in. They will be authorized through Intuit, and they'll have access to everything in their QuickBooks Online account. Right here, you'll see the Launch STEM button. That will bring you directly to the STEM front end, the UI of our application. I'll pass it to Harrison to demonstrate some of the features.
All right, so here we have a navigation bar, and here we're going to look at the inventory. We can see the name, SKU, quantity, and price. And what we're going to do here is we're going to add a new item. So we're going to add a new item, let's say chocolate cookie. Okay, I've put in the SKU, price, and current quantity. We'll just send that and we'll see an alert pop up. Then here in the inventory list, we can see chocolate cookie is now there. And the price is $1, we can see. And I'm just going to show another example of another item that we're going to add. We're just going to add a cookie. SKU 052, price 1.25 this time, so we can see the decimal. Current quantity 50. Once that pulls through, we can see that is $1.25. Now we're going to take a look at the alerts page, and we can see items that are low. Right now the threshold is 25 because that's the last thing that we set. You can see SKU, item, and quantity. And now we can go into the threshold, set it to a different number 50, check the alerts again, and now we can see that cookie is running low, which is the only other item in our inventory that is under that threshold 50. So next is the ordering page. So here we can type in an item and we can see something like sugar. So here it's the 3 lowest prices for sugar. Next we'll try syrup. It's going to show price per rating, review, price, and total. And then we can even chair, which doesn't have a price per, or it's not like an ingredient item. And as we can see, it just doesn't show the price per or total. And we can click on these order buttons, and it'll take us to the Amazon page where the user can order the item. Check the first one, checking the second one, show that all the order buttons work. And then we also have this metrics page that we can show, we can print, save as JPEG or save as PNG. And that is all our functionality right now, and I'm going to pass it to Nick to finish it off.
All right, thanks, Harrison. So for future functionalities, we would like to implement more item management functionality. So if a user wants to update an item, we should be able to let them do that, whether they want to change the price or the quantity or perhaps the name. They should have the ability to do that through our application rather than going through QuickBooks Online. Another feature we would like to implement is more detailed metrics using the invoices generated from QuickBooks Online. So sales directly from QuickBooks should be fed into the metrics and ideally predict trends for the future, whether that's profits, inventory levels, or some other metric. That has been our presentation. Thank you for watching. If there's any questions, please reach out.